How to change your location on Amazon shopping app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Amazon. This is the home page, as you can see. Now this is the home page, and as you can see my location is Canada. And if you want to change it, all what you have to do is click on it like this. Click on the country that you have here, and now click on ship here, choose ship outside US, and choose any country you want from here. As you can see, choose one of these. For example, I'm gonna choose Australia, and here you go, I just changed it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.